Hello chums, my name is Boingy. Welcome back to new Pokemon Snap episode 8. This is episode 8. So off screen I was going back through some levels. I did more of the nature park, more of the jungle. I unlocked the volcano. So let's do the volcano. Not done it yet. As soon as I unlocked it I just panicked and was like, I just hit the home button to turn the game off because I was like, you know, I don't want to do anything off camera. I want to do everything here for you guys. So the volcano, I'm imagining fire type Pokemon. I've got a lemonade with me today. Oh, good news, looks like vinegar. It's not vinegar. Oh, it's an Altaria immediately. Hello, you beautiful fluffy cloud you. Whip around with it. Look at all the Altarias!
It's sweltering hot out there.
Hello!
Is that a hot spring?
Oh, is that a Luxray? That's a Luxray. Oh. Oh, Luxray! So I've also been told that if I move both sticks at once, look how quickly you move. Hello! Have an apple. Look at you! I love Luxray. Hello! Oh, and I've got the orbs, haven't I? Yeah. Oh, you're so pretty. I love Luxray so much. Look at you! But what else am I going to see? What's that? What's that? Oh, let's say Archeops. Archeops. Oh, an Aerodactyl. Hello. God, this game's so cool. There's the, is that the thingy? That's the Crystal Bloom. Oh, a Tyrantrum. Holy God. Oh, look at you. A Monferno. Oh, this is my favourite stage so far. Have an apple. Good lord. Good lord, look at the size of you! Hello!
Really?
Oh, he's scaring us away. Okay, bye. Ooh. Ooh. What's the thing to scan? What's up there? What's that? Several pieces of large amber are embedded into the walls. There was a Graveler! Oh dear. Let's knock the Gravelers down. Can I reach that one? No. This is favourite level so far, easily. What's that? Oh, right. You should have got on that shot. Just get good. Whoops. I think I just killed that Graveler. I wonder if this is going to be like the volcano in the original Snap, where to progress or to unlock new things, I've got to knock all the Graveler down. I am fully just killing these poor Graveler, aren't I? Like, they are just falling down to their deaths. Sorry. What am I about to see? Oh, little Slugma! Oh. Okay, bye. Another Archeops. No, Slugma! Okay, coolest level so far. Oh, what's that? I saw a tail. Little Charmanders! I am absolutely in love with this level. Oh, hello! Look at you! Can I do a throwback? Can I knock you into the lava to evolve you? Oh, you look so sad! Have an apple. You deserve it. Have all the apples you want. Have all the apples you want. I'm expecting to see a Charmeleon at some point. I've got to knock into the lava to make it evolve. Oh, there's the Monferno again, look. You climb up top? Yeah, you are. Looking majestic up there. Look at you guys. Look how cute and lovely you all are. Have some glowy. Is that one that I knocked down from the top earlier, I wonder? Oh, what's these? Ancient ruins. It has collapsed. I can't go that way. I wonder if those are the ruins that we saw in the other levels. I'm replaying that immediately. That was such a cool level. We're going to get to go through the volcano at night. Oh, and I also need to go back. I need to go back underwater and take a photo of the glowy crystal bloom, but I missed it. Oh, that was such a good level. The Altaria, is that one? Yep. Luxray, I'm going to give him that one. Archeops, didn't really get many good photos of that one. That one will do. Aerodactyl, nah, it's not great. Charmander, look at the Charmander. Oh, that one, look at that one. Tyrantrum, oh, I didn't get a photo of it. Oh, I got a photo of it terrifying me. Let's give him that one. Monferno, let's give him that one. Little Slugma right at the end, got 2 of them. Graveler. That one's glowing, you can have that one. And the Crystal Bloom, just so he knows. Oh no, I don't have to give him the Crystal Bloom, do I? Because I've already got the orbs, haven't I? Let's have a look. God, look, I just want to get in its wings and just sleep. It looks like such a lovely little pillow.
Nice work.
Tell you what, it's been so hard not to progress in this game. Luxray, I love Luxray.
Nice work.
Nice work. Is it Archeops or is it Archeops?
A new discovery.
Maybe future me can let me know.
Nice work.
Archeops. I've always said Archeops. But I suppose it would make sense because it evolves from Archen, doesn't it? Aerodactyl's backside.
A new discovery. Nice work.
We've got a weak photo, yeah. Charmander, look at that! Look at that! It's so cute.
Nice work.
I was kind of hoping for a Charmeleon throwback to knock into the lava, but hey ho. Look at that Tyrantrum.
Perfect timing.
Moments away from death there, my friend. Monferno.
A new discovery. Nice work.
Yeah, a fairly weak one. Yeah, it's too far away. Little Slugma.
A new discovery. Nice work.
Has everyone? Oh, I've got the glowy gravel as well.
A new discovery. Nice work.
And Crystal Bloom. Let's keep the old one because that's a better photo. I don't think that's going to unlock anything else, so I'm going to go back to the volcano, I think. Unless all those photos does a good chunk of XP. Oh, I did level up. Ooh.
All right.
Have I unlocked anything? I wonder.
Ah.
Yes! By the way, ooh, so there's a report. I hope it's volcano at night. As scary as that may be. What's he got? What you got for me, Prof? What you got for me? What have you got for me today? Oh, I hope it's cool. I hope it's cool.
Alright.
Alright. We're all here. Did you discover something? A new teleportation point? Oh, there's a massive mountain in the heart of Bella Silver Island. Elsewhere Forest.
Huh?
I don't know if the mic picked that up. My cat is scratching at my door. Oh, there's a forest so high up on a mountain it seems to be in the clouds.
Cool.
Ooh, that sounds exciting. Let's go.
Anyway.
Yeah, Elsewhere Forest. Oh, this is so exciting. See, I think I called it early on that it's going to be
Thanks.
maybe 1 or 2 places per island. Oh god, that looks creepy as all hell. Let's go. Oh, what are we going to find? What are we going to find? So, forest. I hope to god Zubat's not in this. Really hope Zubat's not in it. Forest Bulbasaur, hopefully. This looks like the slumbering whale from Sword and Shield. Imagine if I see Zamazenta. I would be very, very happy.
That's some thick fog.
It's a Trevenant. That's scary. What's that?
Our connection seems
What was
a little
that?
spotty too.
Was that a shift tree?
Careful.
I'm about to die, aren't I? Sorry. I didn't know that's how you walked, but that's kind of funny. It's an Esper. What's that? What's that? What's that? Is that something Esper's controlling? Oh, there's an Esper there. Yeah. Can I bop it? Put the stone down. I reckon that's going to be... Oh dear, that's scary. That rock is in the way. I wonder if that rock will be an alternate path. I see you. I see you, Kecleon. Yeah, I see you. Oh. Oh dear. Where are we now? Oh!
You getting hot?
Hello, Unpheasant.
Buster says it's like summer out there.
Oh, little dealings, oh, Unpheasant. Oh, Pancham! Oh, Dramper! Oh, look at little dealing! Hey, shift you. Oops, I didn't mean to bop you there. I wanted to give you an apple. Oh, look at him go!
Nice.
That big old Dramper. Bobsaw! Big old saucebuck. That was a scary noise. Oh, look at his little face! Oh, little Bulbasaur! What's that? Oh, little one pheasant nest. That's cute. I don't like the look of this. Have an apple. So I wonder if that nest that I saw on the reef was an unpheasant nest then. Oh. Oh. Where are we now? Back in the creepy. Back in the creepy. That is creepy. Now there's a glowy thing. Get an orb on that. Have some glow. Big old sauce buck. Ooh. Oh, another one. Let's make it glow. See if something amazing happens. Is there a third one anywhere, I wonder? Not that I can see. Lots of Trevenants, which doesn't bode well for being in a forest.
That's great!
Have a shift tree. If I just looped on my back at the beginning. Oh, good morning. Oh, good morning. Cool. Isn't the story of a Trevenant that it was a child that got lost in the forest and then became the spirit that inhabits the tree? Doesn't bode well that I'm in the forest full of Trevenants. Like, that's a little bit worrying. Sleeping shift tree. Let's give that a glow. Do anything? No? There's another Esper up there. Give you a glowy. And then bop you off the tree. Oh, more Espers. It's a very creepy level. I'm all about it. Is this going to be the end? Oh my god, a great big beware! Oh, look at you! You 6-foot monster of death. What's that? Little Pancham. Are they my apples? Did I throw them? I don't think I did. What's that? Oh, big old Dramper. Give that a glow. Anything happen there? No, missed. There's lots of noises in this forest, isn't there? What am I about to see? Oh, Bulbasaur! Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to bop you on the head there. More ruins? Yeah, look, more ruins. Oh. Bulbasaur. Is that a Lotad? There's a Lotad. Something's snoring. I don't know what. Is it the big old Dramper that's over there? It sounds like something cute. What a cool level this was. Volcano was definitely cooler, but still cool. Still cool. Got plenty of photos there. That was very interesting. Hello. Hello! Big old Trevenant. Did I get any better photos? I'm sure I did. Let's have the glowy one. Esper, a bit of a naff photo. Low-tab, a bit of a naff photo, but it's still a photo. The Kecleon, Unpheasant, even the one in the nest at the end. Little Deerling, very cute little Deerling. Shiftry, I will give him training the Pancham. Pancham training with the Shiftry. Bulbasaur, that is a happy face. Saucebuck looking majestic. Drampa, so many photos I got. Big old Beware. Hey, he's glowing. The Ancient Ruins. No point showing him the Crystal Bloom because I've already got the orbs for this level, or for this island, shall I say.
Now then.
It's got the.
Discovery. Perfect timing.
He looks happy, doesn't it? Can that Pokemon look happy? It's like a Merchant of Death, isn't it, that Pokemon?
New discovery.
A new discovery. It's a bit of a naff photo, if I'm honest, but as long as you like it, Prof, that's fine. Low-tab again, naff photo, only spotted it towards the end.
Discovery. Nice work.
It appears to be swimming. Yes, yes it does. Quickly on. Trying to be stealthy, but I saw it.
Discovery. Nice work.
Fascinating behaviour. Blimey, that was a good score for that. Unpheasant.
A new discovery.
That's the female type, I think, because the male type has got like the head fins or the head hair things. Little Deerling. Little Deerling, look.
A new discovery. Nice work.
So I think after this, back to the volcano. Unless I unlock something after this level, I'm going to go back to the volcano, I think. Try and get level 2 and maybe 3 on that. Pancham, look at him. Little Bulbasaur, little
A
Bulbasaur.
new discovery.
Little Bulbasaur.
Nice work.
I've spent all day editing.
A new discovery.
So as you're watching this, once this is episode 8, I'm recording this.
Great timing.
There's a hair in my mouth. No. We good. So what I was trying to say is, as you're watching this, this is day of recording, it's day after launch, Saturday the 1st of May. I've spent all day editing episodes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But I couldn't not play anymore. I've been talking to friends again all day about this.
Discovery.
It's just I couldn't not play it.
Great timing.
So if I seem a little low energy compared to the others, that's why. But I just want to play it. I just want to play it. Ancient Ruins.
A new discovery.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if there's ruins in lots of different places, and then once I found all the photos of the ruins, I can then go to the ruins. I wonder. That face cam's a little bit bright, isn't it? Should I turn that down a touch? That's better. Oh, level 2. Fighting Collector, lovely. 100 species of Pokemon, excellent. Oh, what have you got for me this time? Ooh. Alright, return to camp to see what he's got for us. Ancient ruins, ancient ruins, ancient ruins, ancient ruins. This is very, very exciting. I'm very tense. I don't want to say anything just to break the tension.
Hey!
Hey! Another huge energy reading while you're doing that research. Another Lumina Pokemon.
Here's the thing.
tremendous amount of energy coming deep within the forest. An Illumina Pokemon.
You mind?
Connects to the ruins. I called it. I called it. Yeah, let's go see what it is. What's it gonna be? I hope it's not another. I hope it's not another Meganium.
Here.
Illumina spot. Whoa, what is this gonna be? It's in a forest. It'd be a grass type, I reckon. Doesn't narrow it down a lot. There's hundreds of grass types. I suppose we'll see. I suppose we'll find out. Oh, on the water.
Where's that
Big old
thing
scary
coming from?
Gyarados.
Looks like it's right under you.
There's a big old Milotic. Oh, what a lovely Pokemon. Milotic?
Follow that
Milotic?
Milotic.
Milotic, okay. Right, I'll pronounce it wrong. Oh, hello. Do you want a glowy? Do you want an apple? Have an apple.
Did it just surface? I'm sure you could use an Illumina orb.
Well, that's the plan, Todd. Have some music? No? Have an apple? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Whoops. You gonna surface? Oh, missed it. Whiffed it. I've whiffed it again. I'm really bad at this. Oh god, I suck. I need to aim where it's gonna be, not where it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, hey. Anything else here, I wonder?
Fluffroot could reach it down there.
It probably could. I just did clock it in the face, yeah. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Hello? Oh, you're over there. Okay, you're way over there. Anything else, I wonder? There were the ruins in the Meganium level. Oh, is there anything else in this level? So nice. Listen to the music as well. Just everything's just happy. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where have you gone? Oh, there you are. Oops, sorry, that was an apple. Whoa. Any more ruins anywhere, I wonder? No, but there's a glow fruit. Where have you gone? Where have you gone? There you are. So cool. You off towards the glow fruit, I wonder? Glow fruit. Crystal bloom, sorry. Did he come back up one more time, I wonder? Are you going towards the crystal bloom? I think. Yeah, going over there. Can I get a preemptive throw out, maybe? Oh, it's close. Too low. Oh, nailed it! Go over there. Oh, okay, bye then. Oh. Where are we going now? Any more ruins anywhere? I'm still looking out for. No, you off. I'm assuming this is it then. Yep, thought so.
Looks like it's swimming away.
It is. It's gone. Have an apple.
Come on back for now.
Okay, I will. But no ruins or anything. I think I'm onto something here. Like, if when I get every photo of ruins of a ruins, every photo of the ruins that I can. Oh, my headphones are caught on my chair. That's going to unlock a ruins level, maybe. Who knows? Oh, wow. I've got a couple of photos of the. So there was the one I got where it was like mid splash. That one. That one. Let's go for that one. Yeah. I mean, it's a 4-star one, so it's a different category. But I do really like. Where was it? That one. That one. Let's go with that one. Let's go with that one.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Excellent.
Better Silver Island.
Nice work.
So I wonder if each island's gonna have its own Illumina Pokemon. I wonder what other Pokemon are going to appear there as well. Because in the Nature Park's Illumina level, an Eevee appears with a Meganium. So I wonder if anything else is going to appear. Oh, he's got more things to tell me. Ooh. Professor is on a roll today. What have you got for me? Ooh. I love this game so much. I love it. I'm so happy I saw a Bulbasaur. New Bulbasaur.
Yep.
Oh, hey. Yep, Illumina Pokemon. Yep. Back to the idea that Evicted actually happened. Okay. Evidence suggests it was a meteorite. About 2,000 years ago, what we know as the Telur meteorite arrived. According to the legends of what happened then, the Illumina Pokemon's power was scattered all over the region, making the Pokemon Lentil glow. An interesting idea, isn't it? But here's my theory. What really caused the Pokemon to glow is the meteorite itself, and Illumina Pokemon are the ones that were most heavily affected by the meteorite. Okay. Right. Oh, okay. What do you guys think the meteorite was? You'll have to let me know next time. Yes! Chums, as always, I want to say a big thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the series thus far, which I'm hoping you have, because this is episode 8. And if you've watched thus far, I think you're enjoying it. Regardless, leave me a like, leave me a comment. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's just a thing. And I will see you guys in the next one.